All right, everybody, this is Jerry MinnowMoto here, just giving you an update on the Pan America. All right, in case you don't follow me on the gram or even Facebook, you can find all that stuff at MinnowMoto.com. You might not know that the Pan America is gone. Laconia Bike Week last week. I don't know when this will go out, probably in time to say last week. It was wet and rainy. It made it up flawlessly. I had no problems with the bike whatsoever. Almost 500 miles, start to finish. At startup, still had that fuel pump squeal that I was expecting that. I did every couple fill-ups dump in some of this Lucas injector cleaner because that would stop any of that when the bike would run. So that never happened. And it was flawless. I happened to make it up to Laconia Harley Davidson on probably the most rainy day that they had. They were very aggressive. They said they had 11 bikes to sell and it was pouring that day. So they made me an offer I couldn't refuse. So it's gone. It was a great bike. I love the bike. My plan was, because of the resale value was so low, trade-in value was like $3,000 because I had 23,000 miles on it. My plan originally was to keep the bike and it would just be like my used backup bike, you know, the one local stuff and all that, and get something more for touring. Didn't have to do that. Finally made it on to a new bike and I got rid of the Pan America. Just a little bit more peace of mind. I was always kind of concerned about the fuel pump. Once you change it, it's okay. The underpowered electrical system kind of bothered me. If you idle too long, idle gets too low, and then the VVT starts going tick, 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 and then it can stall. And just, I don't have to worry about that right now. At least I hope I don't have to worry about that. So amazing motorcycle. I will miss it, and thank everyone for watching and commenting and DMing on all my Pan America content that I made. I just knocked something off the wall. All my Pan America content. Great motorcycle, especially if you can get it at a deal. If you can get it with a warranty, it's even better. That is all I got. I have plenty of upgrades in there. Keep the questions coming. If you have questions about what I did, I have tons of information out there, and it's time to start a new playlist. So thank you guys for hanging in, and no more Pan America content.